France is considering opening a new assembly line for Rafale fighter jet in India to manage anticipated large orders from country. According to Dassault Aviation CEO Eric Trappier, establishing final assembly line would help in absorbing new workload. The U.S. Air Force Armament Directorate and Defense Innovation Unit have selected Anduril's Barracuda 500 autonomous air vehicle, popularly known as Cheap Cruise Missile, for next phase of Enterprise Test Vehicle Prototype Program. This initiative aims to develop modular, cost-effective platform designed for large-scale production and next-generation airborne operations. India has issued NOTAM for a missile test scheduled between March 12 and March 13 in Bay of Bengal. The designated test area spans 415 kilometers, sparking speculation about two likely candidates: a short-range variant of the supersonic BrahMos cruise missile, or the highly anticipated Astra Mk3 Gandiva, a very long-range beyond visual range air-to-air missile boasting a range of approximately 350 kilometers. Ukraine's armed forces will receive more advanced attack drones for its fight against Russia after UK and Anglo-US manufacturer sealed $38.7 million deal allowing Ukraine receive cutting-edge Altius 600M and Altius 700M drones, which are designed to monitor an area before striking targets.